am I ever excited to show you this barbecue prep tub by Sufkodu. So as you see here, this is how you're going to keep this tub for storage. Collapsible and compact. But it really opens to so much more. So first you've got this nice sturdy lid. This is going to help having a lid for transport. It gives you additional prep space, which I really love. So if you've got to set anything off to the side, your spices, whatnot, whatever, you've got this nice big prep tub space. So we've got that. There. Then you've got the actual tub itself. So this here has this cutting board. So you can lay your meat on here as you're prepping, cut the meat, but then when it goes time to season, we're gonna pull this all the way up. And there is your deep prep tub. Now I can place my meat in here, season without the seasonings going all over the counter. And then once I get the meat in here, and I'll show you that here, I can put the lid on and easily transport this out to my grill or smoker. So a really, really convenient way to do this. But let's get some meat in here and I'll show you some prep.
All right, I've got a 3-pound pork shoulder roast here, which is pretty small in comparison to the tub itself. Holds a lot of meat. So this would hold a very large, we just did a 12-pound brisket. That would have fit in here very nicely. Racks of ribs, get everything in here, get it seasoned. So whether you're doing like a seasoning that you've store-bought and you're shaking that on, again, that keeps all the seasoning right in here. I'm gonna do just a homemade little pork rub here. Get that seasoned all over. Love that I can just turn this, rub all my seasonings in. And then what's also super great about this is dishwasher safe. So when you are all done, whether that is prepping your food or even transporting and serving your food, you've got this nice tub that can easily go in the dishwasher to be cleaned or of course hand washed. So get all seasonings all over, and here our meat is ready to go. All my seasonings are contained in the tub. Go ahead and get these off. Can put the lid on and easily transport. So if you're looking for a really great prep tub where you can do everything, trim your meat, season your meat, transport your meat to the smoker or the grill, transport it to the party, the Sufkodu barbecue prep tray is awesome.